Hi, welcome to my channel. So I think this video is wonderful and very good news, guys. Why? Because even while doing this video also I very much satisfied. Why? Because from one of the state university we got this recruitment notification for the assistant professor cadre, guys. And here UGC net and non-UGC net. Okay, so for both these two candidates here the opportunity is given. That means in case the UGC net qualified candidates are not getting for any one particular subject, then the PG candidates will be recruited for the assistant professor qualification. Assistant professor designation, guys. So the candidates who are having the UGC net qualification 30,000 rupees per month, and the non-net qualified candidates 22,000 rupees per month will get. And for few subjects UGC net examination is not there, so for those subjects only PG is enough. Fine. So please utilize this opportunity, guys. I think it will be the wonderful opportunity. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. And from total nearly 20 plus departments the vacancies are announced. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there by keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Guru Nanak Dev University from Amritsar. So walk-in interview. Online applications are invited from eligible candidates for the post of assistant professor in various departments of Guru Nanak Dev University main campus, Amritsar, and its regional campuses on contractual basis for the session 2021 to 22, and online registration process will start from 12th August 2021 and closes on 18th August 2021. So just only 6 days is there, guys. So today is 16th. So the candidates, whoever belongs to the departments that I am going to show you in this video, try to apply as early as possible if you are interested. Okay. And the interview schedule also subject wise I will show you in this PDF, guys. So walk-in interview and online applications are invited, and the candidates are required to deposit the prescribed fee, non-refundable, through online mode only using credit, debit card or the net banking. And application fee is 1,180 rupees including GST and 590 rupees including GST for the SC, ST and PWD candidates. And the candidates who intend to apply in more than one subject or campus will pay fee 2,360 including GST and 1,180 for SC, ST and PWD candidates. Okay, and the SC, ST, PWD candidates who are not the domicile of Punjab state shall have to pay the application fee of 1,180 rupees. That means other state candidates, even though if you are having reservations in your state, that means just like SC, ST and PWD category, then you will come under the general category if you are applying for this state of Punjab. Fine. And if they intend to apply for more than one subject or campus, then 2,360 rupees you have to pay. Fine. And next, the schedule. So opening and closing of online registration, as I told, that 12th August and 18th August. And coming to the UGC NET qualified candidates will be paid 30,000 rupees per month, and net non-net, that means only post graduation with minimum 55% of marks, will be paid 22,000 rupees per month. And the subjects, the UGC is not conducting the exam, so for those subjects the net examination qualification is not required. So coming to the departments, architecture, and you may check down the date as well as the time of the walk-in interview. So architecture, physiotherapy and sports science and medicine, hospital administration, sports nutrition, sports psychology, sports biomechanics, and Guru Ramdas School of Planning, hotel management and tourism, mathematics and hotel management and tourism, public school of economics, botanical and environmental sciences, English, pharmaceutical sciences, school of Punjabi studies, education, University Institute of Technology, civil engineering, agriculture, agronomy, plant breeding and entomology, University Institute of Technology, mechanical engineering, physical education and mass communication, laws, University School of Financial Studies, computer science and University Business School, and in Jalandhar laws, and in Gurdaspur laws, commerce and business management. Okay, So these are the subjects and the corresponding walk-in interview dates as well as the times also you may check down. And the candidate should bring or else candidate should attend the interview as per the schedule available on the website along with the hard copy of their online application form with attested copies of the supporting documents. Fine. And the candidates are required to report the interview at least 1 hour before the scheduled time of interview. There are no separate call letters will be issued, guys. And while coming for the interview, the candidate shall bring with them all the certificates, degree, DMCs, supporting documents for the marks claimed in source, scorecard and testimonials in original, and also 7 copies of a list of publications. Okay. And all these things you have to bring the 7 copies. If any publications are there, you have to bring the 7 copies. If publications are not there, then no problem, fine. And here, undertaking on the prescribed pro forma available on the official website. So in this official website, you will get, okay, in the absence of which he or she may not be allowed to face the interview. And TADA will not be provided for the interview, guys. And qualifications, as I already told you. So in architecture, okay, so bachelor's degree in architecture and first class. Candidates must be registered with the Council of Architecture, and the relaxation 5% will be provided based upon the caste category. Coming to the physiotherapy department, so for physiotherapy UGC NET exam is not there, so that's why they are exempted from the NET or GATE qualification, and only 55% in masters is enough. And coming to the assistant professor hospital administration, so 55% in hospital administration, so exempted from the NET or GATE qualification. And coming to the assistant professor in sports nutrition, so here you may check down. So for each and every department, whatever the department you belongs to, so please check out, guys, once here and then start applying. Okay, so here the total 10 pages are there in this PDF. So please clearly go through from starting to ending of this PDF. Okay, guys. And application fees. Okay, you have to carefully check down the application fee also. And whatever please scan your photograph and signature individually and save them in the JPEG format. That means for the online application form, you have to keep ready with all these things and then start applying, guys. Okay. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this or else the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows from Unacademy side. If you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.